Hello, connectors in Spanish, known as conectores or nexos, are words or phrases that link ideas, sentences, or paragraphs to create coherence and cohesion in a text. They help to structure the information, show relationship between ideas, and guide the reader through the text. Here is an explanation of the main types of connectors in Spanish, along with examples. 1. Additive connectors. These connectors add information or ideas. They are used to introduce additional details or emphasize similarity. Examples. And. Me gusta leer y escribir. I like to read and write. Además. Furthermore. Moreover. Está lloviendo. Además. Hace frío. It's raining and it's cold too. También, also. Ella también quiere venir. She also wants to come. Incluso. Even. Incluso los niños lo entendieron. Even the children understood it. 2. Adversative connectors. These connectors express contrast or opposition between ideas. Examples. Pero, but. Quiero ir, pero no tengo tiempo. I want to go, but I don't have time. Sin embargo. However. Es caro, sin embargo lo compré. It's expensive, however I bought it. Aunque, although. Aunque llueve, saldremos. Although it's raining, we'll go out. No obstante, nevertheless. Es difícil, no obstante, lo intentaré. It's hard, nevertheless, I'll try. 3. Casual connectors. These connectors indicate cause or reason. Examples. Porque, because. No fui porque estaba enfermo. I didn't go because I was sick. Ya que, since. Ya que no viniste, empezamos sin ti. Since you didn't come, we started without you. Debido a, due to. Se canceló el vuelo debido a la tormenta. The flight was cancelled due to the storm. Puesto que, given that. Puesto que no hay tiempo, lo haremos mañana. Given that there is no time, we'll do it tomorrow. 4. Consecutive connectors. These connectors show the consequence or result of an action. Examples. Entonces, so, then. No estudiaste, entonces reprobaste. You didn't study, so you failed. Por lo tanto. Therefore. No tienes dinero, por lo tanto no puedes comprarlo. You don't have money, therefore you can't buy it. Así que, so. Estaba cansado, así que me fui a dormir. I was tired, so I went to sleep. De modo que, so that. Terminó temprano, de modo que pudo descansar. He finished early, so he could rest. 5. Temporal connectors. These connectors indicate time or sequence. Examples. Antes de, before. Antes de salir, cierra la puerta. Before leaving, close the door. Después de, after. Después de comer, iremos al cine. After eating, we'll go to the cinema. Mientras, while. Mientras cocinaba, escuchaba música. While I was cooking, I listened to the music. Luego, then. Primero estudia, luego juega. First study, then play. 6. Comparative connectors. These connectors are used to compare ideas or things. Examples. Como, like, as. Es fuerte como un león. He is strong like a lion. Más que, more than. Ella es más inteligente que él. She is smarter than him. Menos que, less than. Este libro es menos interesante que el otro. This book is less interesting than the other one. Tan como, as. Es tan alto como su hermano. He is as tall as his brother. 7. Conditional connectors. These connectors express a condition or hypothesis. Examples. Si, if. Si estudias, aprobarás. If you study, you'll pass. A menos que. Unless. No iré a menos que vengas conmigo. I won't go unless you come with me. En caso de que. In case. Lleva un paraguas en caso de que llueva. Take an umbrella in case it rains. Siempre que. As long as. Puedes venir siempre que termines tu trabajo. You can come as long as you finish your work. 8. 8. Explicative connectors. These connectors clarify or explain an idea. Examples. Es decir, that is to say. No puedo ir, es decir, estoy ocupado. I can't go. That is to say, I'm busy. O sea, in other words, es muy tarde, o sea, no llegaremos a tiempo. It's very late. In other words, we don't arrive on time. Esto es, this is. Necesitamos ayuda. Esto es más recursos. We need help. This is more resources. 9. Conclusive connectors. These connectors summarize or conclude ideas. Examples. En conclusión, En conclusión, debemos trabajar más. In conclusion, we need to work harder. Finalmente llegamos a un acuerdo. Finally, we reached an agreement. En resumen, in summary. En resumen, todo salió bien. In summary, everything went well. Por último, lastly, quiero agradecer a todos. Lastly, I want to thank everyone. 10. Emphatic connectors. These connectors emphasize or highlight an idea. Examples. Sobre todo, above all. Me gusta el arte, sobre todo la pintura. I like art above all painting. Especialmente. Me encanta viajar, especialmente a Europa. I love traveling, especially to Europe. De hecho, in fact. De hecho, ya lo sabía. In fact, I already knew it. Ciertamente. Certainly. Ciertamente es una gran oportunidad. Certainly, it's a great opportunity. By using these connectors effectively, you can make your Spanish writing and speaking more fluent, logical, and engaging. Practice incorporating them into your sentences to improve your language skills. Bye. Thanks.